Emergencies can happen anytime: a sudden cut, a choking incident, a seizure, or your pet eating something dangerous. And in those first few minutes, your actions matter more than anything. You don't need to be a vet to save a life, you just need to know the basics of pet first aid. Let's go step by step through the essential things every pet owner should know. Emergencies involving pets often happen without warning, making it essential to respond swiftly and confidently. In those initial moments, your actions can significantly impact your pet's chances of recovery. Even if you lack veterinary training, understanding basic first aid and remaining calm can help stabilize your pet until professional help is available. Being prepared and informed ensures you can provide the best possible care during these crucial times. Staying calm in an emergency is essential, not only for your own clarity but also for your pet's well-being. Animals are highly sensitive to human emotions, and your composed demeanor can help them feel more secure during stressful situations. By maintaining a steady presence, you reduce their anxiety and make it easier to administer effective first aid. This calm approach can significantly improve the chances of a positive outcome for your pet. Begin by evaluating your pet's airway, breathing, and circulation. Make sure the throat is clear of any obstructions, and watch for regular chest movement to confirm they are breathing. Inspect the color of their gums, as healthy gums are typically pink, while pale or blue gums may indicate a problem. These initial checks help you quickly assess your pet's condition and determine the urgency of the situation. If you notice your pet choking, it's important to respond swiftly while remaining calm. First, check their mouth for any visible objects and gently try to remove them if you can do so safely. For smaller pets, back blows may help dislodge the obstruction, while larger pets might require the Heimlich maneuver. Always use caution to avoid causing injury or distress. Knowing these techniques can make a crucial difference in an emergency situation. When dealing with bleeding and wounds, it's important to act promptly and carefully. For minor cuts, gently clean the area and apply an antiseptic to help prevent infection. If you encounter severe bleeding, use a clean cloth or gauze to apply firm pressure directly to the wound. This helps slow the bleeding until professional medical assistance is available. Always prioritize cleanliness and safety to support effective first aid. When treating burns caused by hot surfaces or chemicals, it's important to rinse the affected area with cool water for several minutes. This helps to reduce pain and prevent further tissue damage. Avoid using ice or creams, as these can worsen the injury. For chemical burns, make sure to thoroughly clean the area to remove any remaining substance. Prompt and proper care can help minimize complications and support healing. If you suspect your pet has ingested something toxic, act quickly by removing their access to the substance. Contact your veterinarian right away for professional guidance. It's important to bring the packaging or container of the item involved, as this information can help determine the best course of treatment. Avoid trying to induce vomiting or administering any home remedies, as these actions may cause more harm than good. Trust your veterinarian to provide the safest and most effective care for your pet. Heat stroke in pets can be life-threatening, so it's important to recognize the warning signs early. Excessive panting, weakness, and even collapse are key indicators that your pet may be overheating. If you notice these symptoms, immediately move your pet to a cooler environment and gently apply wet towels to help lower their body temperature. Offer small sips of water, but avoid forcing them to drink. Promptly seek veterinary care to ensure your pet receives the necessary treatment. When your pet experiences a seizure, your primary concern should be their safety. Clear the surrounding area of any objects that could cause injury and make note of how long the seizure lasts. It's important not to restrain your pet or try to open their mouth, as this could lead to accidental harm. Instead, remain calm and focus on preventing further danger until the episode passes. If your pet suffers a fracture or injury, it is crucial to keep them as still as possible and gently support the injured area. Avoid attempting to set the bone yourself, as improper handling can cause additional damage. When moving your pet, do so with care, ensuring you do not put pressure on the affected limb. Prompt and careful transport to a veterinary professional will help minimize further harm and ensure your pet receives the appropriate treatment. A well-stocked pet first aid kit is essential for handling unexpected emergencies. Include items such as gauze, bandages, saline solution, tweezers, a thermometer, styptic powder, and gloves to address common injuries and health concerns. Don't forget to add emergency contact numbers for your veterinarian and local animal hospitals. Having these supplies readily available can make a critical difference when every second counts. Preparation ensures you can respond quickly and effectively to your pet's needs. In an emergency, having the right knowledge and acting swiftly can make all the difference for your pet's survival. Being prepared means understanding potential risks and knowing the steps to take when every second counts. Staying informed about common emergencies and practicing quick responses ensures you can help your pet effectively. Your readiness and awareness are crucial in protecting your pet's well-being during unexpected situations. Staying informed about pet care is essential for every responsible owner. By exploring practical guides and sharing your thoughts on first aid topics, you contribute to a community focused on animal well-being. Your feedback allows us to tailor future content to address the most pressing concerns. Together, we can ensure that pet owners have access to reliable, life-saving information when they need it most.